Next, once you have been done with everything like designing, animation, transition, content, everything, now we have it is time to check the slideshows. Okay, how it will appear. Okay, how it will be appear and what are the changes we can do in a slideshow also. For example, this particular slide, if you not to like to show it in your presentation, then you can say hide slide. Okay, this particular slide will be not be there in a presentation. You can observe, if you go here from the beginning, I will say it will appear. Second slide is there. Okay, third slide will be not be there. Okay, if it is hidden, if it is hidden, so that it will not be shown. Okay, if you like to take it out, hide from the this one, we have to turn so that you can see here one cross mark will come if you select this one. Okay, so you can hide any of this slide from the presentation. And you can check the rehearse timing. For example, you have a content, how much time you like to take to deliver this content. To know that one, we can use a rehearse timing. Okay, you can start like this, you can start speaking. Okay, here it will be start recording how much time you are going to take to complete your presentation. Press escape to come out. You say no, I don't want to. Total time is a 12 second, you will come to know here and say no. Okay, like this we will come to know that how much time we are going to take to deliver our presentation. Okay, you can record also, you can record the slideshow also, you can record it. Okay, and if you like to record, you can record this one. Okay, from the current slide you can record, or from the beginning also you can start recording a slideshow also. Okay, that one also you can do. And one more thing, if you like, somewhere you have, somewhere you in a 10th slide or 20th slide, you would like to start from the beginning presentation, you can start this one, start from the beginning. If you like to start from the end, if you like to start from the current slide, you can select this one, start from the current slide, like this. Okay, like this you can start. Or somewhere here you are and you like to start from the beginning, start from the beginning. Okay, so that, okay, like this your slide will be. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, escape to come out from the slideshow, escape key to come out from the slideshow. Okay, these are the different tools available. Okay, you can change the here automatic also monitor, how you would like to monitor. Okay, it will always you select a automatic only. Okay, this is how we can utilize the slideshow option to start from the beginning, from the current slide itself, or you can change the hide some of the slides, or you can rehearse yourself and you can record also.